He would lead you right back to your front door and be like, this is your purpose, this is your mission. I don't know about y'all, but for me, since the kids came, it felt like Joy had this maternal instinct of what to do, what to buy, and I was just kind of sour all the time. Like, why can't I just go play basketball or work out and play video games? Hey, Zachy Zo.
Huh?
How much more time do you need here? Because we didn't even start our hike yet.
Yes, we did start it.
Good stuff.
Right?
Is this in your sweater or no?
No.
This is what all that Spartan training was for. Who needs exercise when you gotta carry these people all the time? The plan is that me and Zach are gonna go ahead. We're gonna find a great spot for lunch. Zoe and Mama will eventually meet us there at the destination.
Hi.
So Zachy and I are thinking that a good spot for lunch would be one with no crabs, so that they don't climb up your legs and
always
stuff.
Crabs?
Yeah, I think so. This is where they live. It's their house. And maybe also one where, yeah, crabs don't eat your food, because we don't want that.
Do you want to try?
No. Everybody say Kukutali.
Kukutali. Huh?
Go for it. Oh! What? Alright, let's go. Let's leave it. Boys will be boys. That's what you call boys will be boys.
What do you mean boys will be boys?
After a wonderful lunch and a wonderful poop, we resume on the trail.
And I found this axe. It's not a real axe, it's just a stick. And I can cut down. And then we're going to bowling. To real bowling, and I haven't been to real bowling. Not joking.
Not joking.
Not pretend.
Not pretend, real.
Even real. I'm not even joking.
There is an owl up there. We don't know what kind it is, but
Staring
there
right
it
at
is.
us, though. Be careful.
Staring right at us. Are we gonna have an owl fight? Do you think those are friendly chirps, Mama?
No.
Not friendly?
No.
Should we go?
Yeah.
Thank you for giving Dada a break. My back hurts from carrying so much, so I appreciate this. What was that?
I needed something that weighs to my height.
I've got a word for someone that needs to hear today, and that is, if you're looking for life purpose, I am convinced that if you were to have a little meeting with the big man upstairs, he would lead you right back to your front door and be like, this is your purpose, this is your mission. Your kids have a father-sized gap hole bucket that you need to fill. No one can replace you. You are the only one that can fill that bucket in your kids' lives. And so, go do it, go get it. Whatever that means for you today. Let's go. Yeah, go for it. Woo! What is she even doing? I think she's doing her ice cream dance. You're about to run into a car. Let's see what's in here, Zoe. It smells so good. On a scale of 1 to 10?
10. A billion.
10.
I have eaten way too much ice cream. I don't know how these kids are still going at it. Listen to your body, please, Zach.
Okay.
No, we're still going bowling. You can't go bowling if you have a stomach ache. How does it make you feel about throwing ice cream away? This?
What is this? What's your...
So that I can go to bowling and not have a stomachache.
Sounds great, Cynthia. Great plan. That is the face of someone who finished the cone. I'm just gonna record because it's your first time bowling ever, okay? So when you're ready, go ahead. There it goes. Mama wants a picture because she beat me. This is the only time it will ever happen.
Play again, right, Dada?
Yeah, nice game, good game, yeah. 99 to 118, but that's okay. We'll play again some other time.
You got 19 less points than her.
I sure
Come on,
did.
Dada, our first bowling.
One of them.
For Zaki and Zozo's first game ever, Zaki bowled a 78 and Zozo bowled a 64. Yeah! High five. High five, yeah. Days like today remind me that if I keep choosing joy and the kids, it affords me the ability to be with them and establish the foundation for them to experience many firsts. So here's to crushing more of those grinding type of days. So how was your first bowling experience? 1 out of 10?
10.
Whoa, 10. How about you, Zach?
A billion.
A billion.
No. A billion. A trillion. A billion.
A hug and a kiss for Kenmore Lanes.